Welcome to the future of quick meals, where technology meets taste to create your perfect sandwich in seconds. Today, we're diving into the world of the sandwich bot, the latest innovation that's changing the way we think about fast food. Stick around as we explore how this robotic marvel is revolutionizing our mealtimes. Imagine walking into a cafe and instead of seeing a human behind the counter, you're greeted by a robot, meticulously assembling sandwiches. That's the sandwich bot for you. A robotic system designed to prepare sandwiches from a wide variety of ingredients, all tailored to your preferences, with precision and speed unmatched by human hands. At the heart of the sandwich bot is a combination of advanced robotics, AI algorithms, and machine learning. These technologies enable it to handle tasks from spreading condiments to slicing fresh ingredients and assembling them into a mouth-watering sandwich. Cameras and sensors ensure each ingredient is perfectly placed, promising not just efficiency, but also an experience. The question isn't just about novelty, it's about necessity. In our fast-paced world, the sandwich bot offers a quick, convenient, and hygienic way to enjoy your favorite sandwiches without the wait. Plus, it's a step towards sustainability, reducing food waste with its precise measurements and operations. The introduction of sandwich bots is shaking up the fast food industry. It's not just about speed, it's about the potential to redefine the dining experience. With customization at its core, these bots can cater to a wide range of dietary preferences, making it a game changer for consumers and businesses alike. The sandwich bot is just the beginning. As technology evolves, we're looking at a future where robots could dominate the kitchen, offering a variety of cuisines and dishes with the touch of a button. But the question remains, how will this technological revolution affect the human touch in cooking? The sandwich bot represents a fascinating blend of innovation, efficiency, and taste. As we embrace this robotic revolution, it's exciting to think about the endless possibilities that lie ahead in the intersection of technology and gastronomy. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future of food. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights and updates.